Hi guys, for today's video, we are unboxing some Pop Mart here in our studio. So here, did you look back in my back? So yeah, I'm with my sister and my dogs in our studio. So first, we choose what we want to unbox. Kanina ko pati inaayin itong Skull Panda. So I think i-unbox natin siya ng buo. What do you think? Yes! Okay, we just grab it na. Here. So we have whole box of Skull Panda. Tell me what you want. Sobrang tagal na sa akin to guys since when? Since 2022. Iniipon ko talaga siya guys kaya dumami siya ng ganyan. Dahil mahilig na ako sa mga Pop Mart collectibles. So yeah. Ito yung napili natin for today's video. Yun guys, start na tayo. 9 pieces siya. So mag-unbox tayo ng 16 pieces of Pop Mart. So yeah, para mapuna natin yung mga container natin here. So yeah, let's start. So ito parang ano to, yung edition ng Christmas. So what do you think? Anong gusto mo makuha?
So, dito guys, makikita muna natin kung ano yung pagpipilian natin. So, ikaw?
I want this. The pan ride and this still on the job.
Ako ito. Let it snow.
Ooh.
So, iyan guys, let it snow. Tapos ito, tsaka ito yung kay ate. Wrap I still on the job pala. One muna guys. So, one, two, three.
Siya na naman kami.
Dito na tayo magsabay. Sa...
Okay, let's see what's
Wait lang!
inside.
Wait lang.
1, 2, 3.
Ano to?
What's that?
Card.
But it's getting dressed.
Getting dressed.
Pero wala siyang card. Bakit wala siyang
Ano
card?
siyang card guys?
Ang
oh.
nakuha ko, baking best wishes. Hindi namin nakuha yung pinakauna. Well,
Hindi namin
that's
nakuha yung mga want namin. So, ano?
yung card.
Iyan guys.
Ooh, so cute!
Grabe na siyang ano oh. Ay! Ay!
Unang binyag.
Tapos yung sa likod niya guys. Oh.
Ano bang tawag dito? Bread. Bread to. Yan siya guys.
Yung sa Shrek, yung
Shrek, oo.
malaki.
Make a wish. Make a wish.
Ito naman yung sa nakuha ko.
Wow, cute!
Oh, stigo.
Ah,
Parang
so-
white okay.
Wait, okay.
Ang hot niya. Hot and what's this? Yun na ba yan?
Oh, let's move on to the next.
Yun pa rin yung baking best wishes, saka still on the job. Ako, let it snow.
Hindi, ito yung akin.
Best, still on the job.
Tsaka pan ride.
Fun ride. Ito palang first tip.
I hope this is one.
Sana ito na guys. 1, 2, 3. Ah. Ano, meron na.
Up, 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 up.
1,
2, 3.
Oh! Oh! Let it snow! Oh, fun ride! Fun ride, guys!
Ito,
Nakuha na namin.
Ay, nalaglag si...
Kanina po siya nalaglag. Oh, tapos ito yung glasses niya, guys!
Oh, so cute.
Cute naman.
Ito yung purple niya.
Oy! Russian! Russian.
Purple. Purple.
Purple.
Oh, wow!
Oh,
So
ang
happy!
Sa atin. Ang ganda, oh. Wow!
Lagay natin yung kay
Brown,
purple.
brown siya, guys.
Ang cute. May purple talaga siya. How to put it in here?
Tataliin siya.
Yeah. How?
Ay, hindi na.
You just... I like this. Huh? But, you need to ribbon it. Para sa tenga niya.
So, ganito magiging itsura niya, guys. Ilalagay na natin yung glasses niya. Glasses.
Magnet!
Di magnet siya, oh.
Tingnan mo! Ay, ang angas!
Ang angas, guys! Ang angas. And then yung sa baba
Ang
niya.
ganda ng napili.
Kaya mo, parang ano siya yung sa snow. Ha, ang angas. Lupit. Tapos guys, yung sa bonnet niya, talagang ano siya, oh. Fur. Kagaya ng dito, oh. Ay, ang cute!
Ano to? And frozen. Frozen yung nasa likod. So nice!
Frozen piece, oh. Ito ni ate, tsaka yung gusto ko. So, ako, kukuha pa ako ng isa kasi yung sa kanya is still on the job pa din.
Oo.
So, ito, on schedule. On schedule.
Let me go we grab some secret.
Sana secret.
This looks heavy.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my
See?
God. What's yours? What's yours?
Woohoo! Sweetest rebel, hindi pala.
Jingle all the way. So we have here, oh my god, so cute.
Wow!
We have a ribbon. And then, let's open what's inside.
Oh!
Ah, bell!
It's literal.
Yeah. Just bulb. Jingle bulb. So how can we put this one? Parang pinakahirapan tayo for today's video.
Oo, yung sa lettuce mo, ang hirap.
How? How to put it in here? Like this? You just hook this one. Then you can put this one in Christmas tree if you have. So it has a ribbon. And what's this?
Where
But I
to put,
think you
where
need
to put
to-
this ribbon?
Parang standing na. This one?
Ah.
Wow, rock star.
How?
It's like a rock star.
Baka
They have
meron
it
pang
in
ano.
here. Yan. You don't want to sabit-sabit in your Christmas tree. You just display it na lang. Okay. We have another 3 pieces. So, yeah. Choose one. Let's see. I hope this is the still on the job.
Home Alone.
1, 2, 3. Oh.
1,
Wait. Just a minute.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, wait.
Ah, still on the job. Home Alone.
Lagi na lang kami nagkakabaliktad na nakukuha.
Yan.
It has eyeglasses.
This mustache. Ate, oh.
Wow, so pretty. Nice.
May bell siya here.
See.
Oh, ay, ang ganda.
Yeah, but-
They're both so beautiful.
Yeah, cute. And it has a teddy bear. Oh, nice. Oh, nice.
Let's put the
Let's put
mustache.
the eyeglasses.
Where to put the mustache?
What's that smell? See? So nice. I love it. So guys, we have here a lot of pop marks in here. So i-unbox natin yung ilang pieces pa ba? 8 pieces para makompleto natin yung 16 pieces na malalagay natin sa container. So as of now, we have here the full box of Skull Panda na Christmas edition. So yeah. Yan. While waiting guys, we have here like a book. Parang dito ko nilagay lahat ng mga cards na mga pop mark na na-unbox natin. Sobrang dami na rin guys. And then iba't ibang klase ng pop mark. We have here the Hirono, Mogi, Labubu. So yeah. So madadagdagan na naman tayo ng additional Skull Panda. So yeah. Let's move on to our next pop mark na ilang pieces na lang. 8 pieces. 8. Yeah.